So you want to make your microphone sound crisp, clean, and professional in OBS without spending any money. Let's get straight into this and not waste any time. In the description below, you're going to see TDR Nova EQ. I need you to download that and install it, and then we'll continue. Once you have that installed, if you're using mic/auxiliary in the audio mixer down here, click these, hit filter. If you're using audio input capture, right click, click filter. The screen's going to pop up, hit this plus and hit VST2 plugin. Click OK. In the VST2 plugin drop down, I want you to select TDR Nova and hit open plugin interface. Once this window pops up, I want you to copy what I tell you to put in and then adjust it to how you see fit. Here's my current setting to the microphone that I'm using. So for band 1, I want you to set it to high pass, which is this declining slope. Set Q to 1, frequency to 80, and 0 gain. For band 2, set it to bell, which is the bell-shaped one. Q 1, frequency 200, and gain to -3. For band 3, bell again. Q 1, frequency 3.5 kHz, and then gain 4. And then finally, high shelf for the last one, which is the incline slope. Q 1, frequency 12 kHz, and gain to 2. Once that's complete, you'll automatically see a difference in your microphone quality. Now that we've added the EQ to our voice, we're going to add a compressor. Press the plus and hit compressor. Once this menu pops up, we're going to change the ratio to 4, threshold to -26, and the output gain to +4. Once we've done that, we're going to add a limiter. Click OK. Set this to -1. If you've got a lot of background noise, you can add a noise gate and set these to close threshold to -45 and open threshold to -38. This will cut out some of that background sound. Another thing you can add is just noise suppression. If you haven't got a very good CPU, use SPX. If you have, RN noise. The main thing you want to do if your quality doesn't sound right still is fiddle with your EQ. Just to give a bit of context, band 1 cuts low rumble and low end noise. Band 2 removes the muddiness in your voice. Band 3 boosts your clarity and your crispness. And band 4 sort of adds air and a bit of sparkle, I guess. So if you did enjoy this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe. I try to do it as quick as physically possible, not to waste anyone's time. So if you guys did enjoy, you know what to do. I'll see you guys in the next one.